This video teaches you some helpful techniques to get your PowerPoint presentation back up and running. Using Open and Repair. Open PowerPoint on your computer. Click the File menu and select Open. Click Browse. This opens your computer's file browser. Browse for the PowerPoint file and click it once to select it. Click the down arrow next to the Open button. Additional options for opening the PowerPoint will appear. Click Open and Repair. This will reopen PowerPoint in protected view and attempt to display the presentation. Inserting slides into a new presentation. Click the New Slide button on the Home tab. Click Reuse Slides on the menu. This opens the Reuse Slides sidebar on the right side of the screen. Click the Browse button. Select the corrupted PowerPoint presentation and click Open. If PowerPoint is able to extract the slides from the corrupted file, you'll see them appear in a preview window. Right-click one of the slides in the preview and select Insert All Slides. This imports all of the slides from the corrupted file into your blank presentation. If the slides were able to import properly, you'll be able to run the presentation and see all of the slides. Import the slide master if the imported slides don't look right. Click the file and select Save As, and then save the file with a different name as a backup. Click the Design tab. Select More on the Themes panel, and then click Browse for Themes. Select your damaged presentation file and click OK. This will load the slide master from your damaged presentation, which will restore the theme. After confirming that the slides have imported properly, you can save your new presentation file. You should be able to load the new without any corruption problems. Switch back to your backup copy of the recovered presentation if it stops. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.